We have major challenges ahead of us, but real opportunities too. If Wales has the ambition, has the positivity to take advantage of those opportunities, rather than pretend our job is to manage decline and moan about things that we can't do anything about. And it's about Welsh Government, more specifically, showing that it is ready to step up to the plate. Because a core problem, the elephant in the room, is this. Labour in government has always run the NHS since the people of Wales decided to devolve it nearly exactly 20 years ago. And Wales, I don't think, cannot afford any longer to have a government refusing to admit to the depths of some of the NHS's and the care sector's problems, because to do so would be to admit that they are responsible for those problems. And the people of Wales, I think, need to see a real gear change in how Welsh Government runs health and social care in Wales and thinks about the delivery of health and social care in Wales. We have an interim report now highlighting some of the main challenges. We'll soon have a completed review and hopefully a set of recommendations that can spur some real action.